Welcome to Yeah, Sweat, and Cheers. Yeah, you are here and we're glad that you're here. Sweat is what you would do many times when you're getting your exercise in. Cheers, because we are cheering you on because you are doing something to make your body feel better and to look better each and every day. Today I'm going to share a recipe with you that I use most days before I eat my other food. I try to get my fruit in, so I have a fruit smoothie. So what I'm doing is showing you how I mix this each and every morning. So I take about a half a cup of fruit, and this is frozen fruit that I'm using today because I don't have much fresh fruit right now. So I usually keep some frozen fruit in the freezer so that I'll have something in case I run out of my fresh fruit. So I also have a quarter of a pear that I'm placing in this blender, and I also will put in 3 baby carrots. So we're putting that in the blender, and then what I do is put about half a tablespoon of honey in the blender because I like to have it sweet, and honey is good for you too. So we're putting that in there, and then we're going to put about a half a cup of water. I use spring water in my mix, and I need to get the top so that I can blend this together. Okay, so now I have the top. I put the top on, and we put the blender here and let it go. So it's going to grip for a few seconds here. Here we go. I usually stop it just for a moment and then start it again. The reason why I do that is because sometimes the carrots may get stuck and there may be a chunk of a carrot, and I want to make sure that all of it is blended together. So now the mix is ready. So I'm going to pour it into my glass. It looks delicious, delicious. It looks good. Nice and creamy. So let me taste it. My, that's a good, delicious blend. Tastes so good. It is delicious and nutritious. So I encourage you to get your vegetables, your fruit. If you want to use vegetables, that's fine, but I use fruit. Fruit in the morning before you eat your other food, because if you eat your fruit, it will help to clean your system before you get the other food mixed in with your fruit. Because when you mix fruit with other types of foods, it kind of messes up the cleaning process within your body. So I get my fruit smoothie done each morning before I get started in my day. So I would encourage you to use whatever fruit you like. It can be what I used. It can be apples. Many times I use apples. I use papaya, pineapple, watermelon, depending on what's in season. So whatever's in season at the fresh fruit market, I try to go there and get my fruit. So get busy, get your blend together, start feeling better as you continue to do your exercise. So I encourage you to go back and look at some of those videos that I have shared concerning your exercises so that you can continue doing at least 10 minutes a day, if not more. By this time, I don't know how far you are in the program, but if you continue, you will see yourself feeling better each and every day. And I will share some more food recipes as I go along in the time that we're here. God bless you. Once again, this is for you. We're here at Yeah, you're here. Sweat, you will get that going when you get your exercise in. And cheers, we are cheering you on. So come on.